Hold on. Don't just throw your old, dirty, or broken stress balls. This is a tutorial video showing you guys how to change the surface skins and pump out the air for them. This is not only suitable for stress balls in my store, basically go for every stores. The first one is slime filling inside. 2 tips. First one, apply a little bit hand cream or any lotion before touching it. Second one, freeze it for half an hour. Both works. Now you can remove the old one, replace it with new skin. Then pump out the extra air, make it attach to the skin. Pay attention to this part. You could also exhaust the air of this spot as well. The second one is clay base. Our clay is very sticky to the skin. This part takes a little trick. You have to use a quick, deft motion to pull the clay off. Also exhausted the extra air out. For the Legos filling inside, there's also left air between the clay and Legos. It would come out only after playing it. So you could pump the air out, after then the air won't get in anymore. The rest of types, you could just cut it open to change the surface skins. Vaseline feeling type, the air trapped easily after playing a period of time, just following the tips before. Any more questions, feel free to ask in the comments.